Debate. RP Singh, national spokesperson of the BJP, Priyanka Tibrewal, advocate, Riju Datta, spokesperson TMC, Professor Dinesh Varshney, leader of the CPI, Abdul Razak Khan, and MC Abbas, both political analysts. But I'll ask you first, Professor Dinesh Varshney, because you're a very sorted person usually. How do you accept somebody like an Abbas Siddiqui, who on camera says, I want 30 to 50 crore Indians dead, as an alliance partner?
Padmaja, look, as far as separatist, communal and diversionary politics, question of doing this type of politics arises in India, the BJP is the master, RSS is the master. See their additions in Tripura, the alliance with the separatist and secessionist force IPFT. Their chief minister is belonging to that organization. In Nagaland, their alliance partner are both the groups are the secessionists. They wanted a secession from India. Whatever Furfura chief has said,
I dare you, please answer the question.
At least personally and my party do not endorse it.
Varshney, I dare you, please answer the question.
We will see to it that this type of speeches should be abandoned and should not be supported.
Well, that's
but
very kind,
I'll
sir.
request RP Singh ji,
because you know, to restrain a person from not wishing death on 50 crore Indians, and it's not even about Hindu and Muslim. He's wished death upon 50 crore Indians. Just a second. Can we please not have yelling? Professor Dinesh Varshney, no one can walk away by simply condemning, because this man, I actually differ with what the BJP has been saying through the day. They say it's an anti-Hindu sentiment. This is an anti-India sentiment. Because if you listen to this man carefully, he says, I pray to God that a virus should come which will kill 30 to 50 crore Indians. How can you share a stage in the name of secularism with a man who wants 30 to 50 crore Indians dead? These include your secular friends. This includes you, Professor Dinesh Varshney. This includes all of us. 30 to 50 crore Indians he wanted dead. Are you okay with sharing the stage with him from now until the election campaign, and maybe further if he wins? He has spoken against you because you are one among those 30 to 50 crore Indians possibly.
India and the left front have a very clear politics in their mind. We have very clear politics in mind that we do not support any type of communal idea. We do not support of any type of communal organizations. But at the same time, see the history of the Furfura alliances. The Furfura alliance had an alliance. They were supporters of the TMC. Now they come with the Congress and to the Sahit Morcha. Let us see how they function and how they work. But this is a time to defeat the BJP entry into the Bengal, because they will disturb the secular culture of Bengal. It is a time to defeat the corrupt politics.
Just a second. I'll take this one by one. First, you answer RP Singh. Here, Professor Dinesh Varshney is basically saying, what, you know, a variation of what they say in Hindi, loha lohe ko kaatta hai. So if you have to deal with communal party like the BJP, they are accepting a communal man like Abbas Siddiqui. RP Singh.
Well, this is shocking that their definition of communism changed as per religion. And that's what we say, that they join hand with all those radicals or all those who are not only on divides country on religion basis, also who spread venom for country, who says that 50 crore log marne chahiye corona se. And then is he Muslim? No. Is he Indian? No. He has no faith in India. He has no faith in Indian constitution. And he's alliance partner with left and Congress. And Congress easily says, and left says, no, we don't believe in him, but he said something, we don't believe him in. I mean, man says, मैं खून से सींचूंगा इस धरती को.
B team, who is your B team?
कौन सी धरती को खून से सींच रहे सर? ये आपका इतिहास है वार्षिक साहब. आपने रशिया में, आपने चाइना में, आपने पश्चिम बंगाल में खून से सींचा है. आपने पूरे इतने साल खून खराबा ही किया. आपने इतने साल खून खराबा ही किया. You only done only spread communal violence
अरे खून खराबा तो तुमने किया है यार।
You only spread bloodshed
सारे
in
देश
West
में
Bengal.
बाबरी मस्जिद तोड़ के पूरे देश में तुमने संविधान की धज्जियां हो रही हैं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की धज्जियां।
Okay, now we are going off on a tangent. Now we are going off on a tangent. So now we are going to relatively decide the meaning and definition of secularism and communalism depending on where you stand and what is the likelihood of that person bringing you a certain number of votes. But Riju Datta, the other and stronger argument being made by the left is, well, you have supported the same man in the past. So you should be the last ones accusing the left front and the Congress and the Sanyukt Morcha. कल वो आपके मोर्चे में थे, आज वो उनके मोर्चे में है.
First of all, very good evening to you, Padmaja. And you know that the Trinamool Congress is a party which has never politicized this fellow. We believe that Purpura Sharif is a religious site. It's a place of worship. And the people who are the leaders there from Taba Siddiqui, Abbas Siddiqui's uncle, they have blessed us, but we have never politicized them. And this fellow, Abbas Siddiqui, is nothing but a hate monger. And the thing is, they call it a united front, but I will call them a divided front. You know, we have seen the open disagreement on the stage, and CPM is playing the moderator between the ego clash of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and Abbas Siddiqui. So, and you know, it is a historic occasion what happened yesterday. Not a single time Vande Mataram was uttered from that stage where Congress people were present. And the CPM, who are so-called believe in communalism, who so-called do not
necessary,
believe in goddesses, they are saying Assalamu Alaikum.
It is not
Abdul Razak
necessary
Khan.
to utter Vande Mataram in an election rally, sir. First of all, Padmajaji, looking at the massive crowd, the BJP and other parties have been shattered. Now, ahead of elections, leaders tend to make these kind of statements. Why do you discount Amit Shah's statements? Why do you discount Goli Maro Salon? Ahead of Delhi elections, BJP leaders said, Goli Maro Salon. Was it not heard by every Indian? Is it something new that ahead of elections, these kind of statements do?
By the way, first of all, Election Commission acted against Anurag Thakur for making that comment in election rally. And if you are trying to justify a man wishing death upon Indians by saying, oh, it also happened in the Delhi election, that doesn't speak very highly of you. Just by the way, Abdul Razak Khan.
I condemn that statement.
Your condemnation doesn't mean squat.
I condemn that statement. To my understanding,
sir, your condemnation means nothing. If you share a stage with the man, your condemnation counts for nothing. Your condemnation counts for nothing. If you share a stage with him, it's as simple as that.
It is being twisted. Padmajaji, his statement is being twisted. He has given a clarification.
His statement is being twisted, is it? All right. Let's see how many Bengali-speaking people are there. I know of 2 people on the panel who speak Bengali. Let us play out again what Abbas Siddiqui has said, and let Riju Datta and Priyanka Tibrewal then do a verbatim translation of what this man has said and expose how we have twisted his words. Let's listen to Abbas Siddiqui again.
যেখানে যেখানে বাম শরিক দল প্রার্থী দেবে আগামী ইলেকশনে মাতৃভূমিকে রক্ত দিয়ে হলেও স্বাধীন আমরা করব। আগামী দিন এই বিজেপি সরকার আর বিজেপি সরকারের টিম মমতাকে আমরা বাংলা থেকে উৎখাত করে ছাড়ব। আল্লাহর ভারতবর্ষে এমন কঠিন একটা ভাইরাস দিক এই ভারতবর্ষের জন্য 10, 20, 50 কোটি লোক মরে যায়।
All right, so tell us, Priyanka Tibrewal, what was he actually saying about the virus which apparently has cruelly been twisted and used against him?
Well, his second speech was about the virus, where he said कि भारतवर्ष में ऐसा एक वायरस आ जाए where 25 से 50,000 लोग मर जाएं और उसके बाद then he is hailing Allah. Now this is what actually I wanted. This is where I wanted to come in. That is this guy secular by any chance? No, he is not. Because a person who is praying that Indians should die, and thereafter he also said that onek rot hoye geche, which in Bangla means
he
that
has also given a clarification after the speech
they should die, and he is hailing Allah. He is praying to Allah for that they should die. So he is speaking against the Indians. So where is the secularism? You as a caste, you make yourself aside, saying that we the Muslims, we who are praying to Allah, let us pray to Allah that the Indians should die. So where is secularism? I question here. And somebody who was speaking from Congress and CPM
No,
now,
madam.
see, they
No,
have
madam, I
accused
don't
the
understand
MIM as
Bengali.
a B team of BJP,
I don't
right?
understand
and you are
Bengali.
in conversation with the MIM.
Madam, he has
You are
also
in
given a
conversation of joining
clarification.
hands.
MC Abbas.
So how do you accuse
MC Abbas,
and say
what
that they are B team of
secularism,
BJP?
what secularism
Madam, please
allows
also
you
listen
to
to the
wish a
clarification.
massacre upon the country? Because essentially it's a massacre.
I am no Bengali, I do not comprehend Bengal, but as per I do greatly rate Times Now. So whatever definition that was brought to me, let me speak of that. The first statement he makes, he speaks of giving blood, not taking blood, for the liberation of the people, to free them from fear and bondage. And that is a great statement to make. There is absolutely nothing wrong in that. about giving your
it
life
is
to the
not.
motherland.
It
Absolutely
speaks
nothing
about
wrong to
shedding
that.
blood.
No, let me
It
finish.
speaks about hatred.
What is your
speaks
problem,
about
ma'am? Allow me to complete my
it
point.
once again
It is
speaks
not
about
wrong.
violence in
The
West Bengal.
first
It says कि
statement that
पूरी
he
धरती
makes
को
is
खून में डुबा
absolutely
देंगे.
fine.
कैसे डुबा
There is
देंगे?
nothing
हम
wrong
डूबने
in
देने
it.
की बात
So
करेंगे.
therefore,
हम जो लोग
don't
यहाँ
try
बंगाल में
and
रहते हैं, हम यहाँ
twist
डूबने नहीं
according to
देंगे.
your benefit.
How dare you
So
speak about
therefore, when
violence
it
in
comes to
West
your
Bengal
party
once
and you
again?
support BJP,
We
you
are
will keep
making
a
all
finger
our
on the
efforts.
lips to a
Elections-
Yogi Adityanath,
elections
who
here
is
should be
quiet, who shares
peaceful.
a stage
We are making
with
all
somebody who
efforts.
says
Hate mongers
मुसलमानों
like
की
this,
बेटियों को
opportunists
कब्र से
like
उठा
this
के
are
बलात्कार
spreading
करेंगे.
hatred.
Okay, first of all, no. I will not allow falsehoods to go on this channel. Just a second. Just a second, MC Abbas. That has been clarified time and time again. Yogi Adityanath did not say that. It has been fact checked. Please do not take incendiary statements using this platform or rather misusing this platform and misquote things. So please do not make incendiary statements, at least not on this show. That's point number one. Point number two, what is this false equivalence that you are drawing over here? You are saying somebody who talks about shedding blood for winning elections, who says let Indians die, how can that person be secular? That is my simple question. How can somebody talking about the death of Indians be secular? How is he an acceptable ally? Period.
Okay, allow me to complete my point without anybody interrupting me, please. When I made the statement on Yogi Adityanath, I did not say Yogi Adityanath made the statement. It was somebody
That's exactly what you
shared
said.
the stage with.
That's
and he
exactly
was
what you said,
quiet.
and it was wrong.
And he
Now
was-
let's move beyond that. This is not
and he was
about him,
quiet
and let's
when-
not waste time on that. So please tell me,
was
how is
quiet.
Abbas Siddiqui acceptable?
Hatred, speak
The
about
fact of
him.
the matter, Yogi
Say what is he
Adityanath was
saying
quiet
about
when the
it.
statement was made. That is my point. Second point, the first statement, he does not say anything about taking life. He said he and his
Sir,
people will
please tell
give
me
their
what
life
he said
for
about COVID. My
people
question
of
to you
their
is very
body.
simple. He said, let there be a virus to kill Indians. How is this man acceptable? Period. Don't try and beat
I'll
about
tell
the
you
bush.
what is acceptable, ma'am. I'll tell you what is acceptable. When we pick and choose and we direct somebody who's anti-BJP, that becomes acceptable. But the good
He
point
is not
makes does not become
anti-BJP.
acceptable.
He is anti-India. He is not wishing death on BJP
Okay, so
men or
Yogi
women. He is
Adityanath
wishing
is
death on
anti-India.
Indians. Why don't you get it? The man sounds like a homicidal maniac to say let Indians die.
But when it is
He
not
is
BJP,
wishing death on his fellow countrymen, not on the BJP, not on the TMC, not on Hindus. He is wishing death on Indians. It could well
So
be
when
you
BJP
tomorrow,
says
MC
it, you're
Abbas, that
okay.
he wants dead. How do you not realize the danger of emboldening and legitimizing a homicidal maniac like that?
When Abbas Siddiqui says it is a war, ये कैसा अत्याचार, madam? ये दोहरे मापदंड क्यों?
Riju Datta.
करने बोल.
See, first of all, one second. I think I am the only person on this panel whose mother tongue is Bengali. So let me translate the two statements Padmaja you played. The second one, Priyanka said very nicely, where he wanted death for around 50 crores Indians. But the first statement is even more dangerous, Padmaja. He said, we will give blood for the freedom of Bengal. So he is basically, he's talking like a Maoist leader behind the garb of politics. He wants to break Bengal. It is even more dangerous. He wants to form a different part of this country. He is a hate monger.
No. Sir, you went to Bengali. But you're adding this masala.
I thought
और मसाला डाल के ये कैसी बंगाली ला रहे हो साहब? He's talking about giving his life for the motherland. He's clarified on Times Now.
And they are
Riju ji,
the same religion.
I think you did not hear his clarification where he has spoken about giving his
And
life
a
for the
person
motherland,
who is
giving his
actually
life
the
to free
fight
the people
for
of here in bondage. तो भाई साहब आप
अरे
थोड़ा
आप थोड़ा सा
रसगुल्ला
रुक
खाओ,
जाओ,
मीठी
सुन तो लो
भाषा
महाराज,
बोलो,
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
मिर्च मसाला
थोड़ा
मत
सा रुक
लगाओ
जाओ।
भाई साहब, मिर्च मसाला मत
अरे
लगाओ
आप बात
बंगाली
किसी
को।
की आपको इंडल्ज कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, तो थोड़ा रुक जाओ। बाबा सुन तो लो।
Do not add your mirch and masala here. He speaks of
Padmaja,
giving his life to the
Padmaja,
motherland.
please ask
He
Mr.
has
Abbas to
already
quiet down a little
qualified
bit.
on
Sir,
times now.
what do you expect him to say? What do you expect? So you don't go by what he has said on camera. You expect everyone to believe his clarification because, of course, every criminal, every homicidal maniac who talks about death and destruction in his clarification says, you're absolutely correct. I was asking for the massacre of 60 crore people. You heard it right. Nobody is going to ever own up to that. That was his real face, which he did not expect to be exposed 1 year later when he suddenly wants to become a neta. He thinks his history is going to be whitewashed, but the reality is out there, and which is why Professor Dinesh Varshney, this reality is what the country needs to see and the allies need to explain. You cannot get away by saying, oh, BJP is a master in doing all of this, so we are trying to match up, we are learning from the master. Professor Varshney.
No, we cannot match the BJP or any communal force, nor we
But you are
want
trying.
to. We have an ideological contradictions. We have an ideological fight with all types of communalism, be it A or B or C or D.
This alliance
But you have an
Very
ideological
simple.
alliance with Abbas
It
Siddiqui.
is our fight
Thank you
against
for admitting
communism.
that you are
It is
heading
our
a
fight against
contradictory
secession.
alliance.
It is
It's
our
alliance of
fight
credence.
against separatism.
It's alliance of credence,
Whether
sir.
it is
It's
anybody.
alliance of
If you have a
credence.
fight against
Very
separatism,
simple.
why do you have on stage a man who is saying हम आजादी दिलाएंगे West Bengal को खून से आजादी?
Don't try to.
You have Riju Datta saying he sounds like a Maoist.
Banerjee is contacting the Chacha of the Furfura Sharif
Who can be a
chief.
bigger communist
At
than
the
Congress
same
party
time,
who
R.P.
butchered
Singh,
3006
will
in
you
India,
please ever say
in Delhi?
condemn
And who can be bigger communist than
the
you?
Sadhvi Pragya who
Sir,
supported
Varshney
murder of
साहब,
Gandhi
आप
ji,
बताइए आपने
who
ये communal
supported
alliance किया है सेक्टर फ्रंट के साथ?
Nathuram Godse. Will you say sorry?
सर प्लीज
Will you
आप
ask
कहाँ गांधी पे
condemn the
चले
Amit
गए?
Shah
मैं आपसे
who
यहाँ
said
पूछ रहा हूँ
don't
सर, मैं आपसे
accept
10 बातें
the
पूछूंगा,
judgment
जवाब
of
नहीं
the
दोगे
Supreme
आप?
Court
आप
in
लाल सलाम की बात करो, इससे आगे बात मत करो। ये मॉइस्ट और ये मॉइस्ट और ये कल्चर कहाँ से ले आया? ये लेनिन की कल्चर कहाँ से ले आया यहाँ पर? आप देश को तोड़ना चाहते हो? You want to burn this nation? You want to start a bloodshed in this country? You want to your partner, your alliance partner, Congress alliance partner.
So convenient.
All type of
People to be
secessionist
killed in
politics
reply
has been supported by BJP and RSS.
50
And RSS since its inception
वो
in
आपके लिए भी वही दुआ मांग रहा है। वो
You
कह रहा
were
है
part and
कि आप
parcel
भी
of the
उस आप भी
secession
वैसी मरो।
with the Angrez,
आपके लिए भी
with the
वैसी कह रहा है वो।
Okay.
Later on,
You want
gave
to
a
be part of
theory
that-
two nation
You know, Professor
that
Dinesh
why
Varshney, you being a professor, you should not go down in history and talk about bloody insurrections and how civilians have been dealt with and how crores have been killed from China to Cambodia. We have seen enough of communist regimes and how there has been bloodshed and people have been massacred. So please, let's not go down, the lanes of history talking about that. But just a second, Abdul Razak Khan, ultimately it all boils down to this, where people point fingers at each other and say, that person is more communal, so हमारा छोटा communalism excuses their बड़ा communalism. And we have to take on a communal TMC or a communal BJP, so we need to have our own little communal pawn as well. Then don't even pretend, right? Just say you're a political party and winning is all that matters. Don't say we are secular and so is law abiding. Everyone's the same.
Padmaja ji, let me tell you, ahead of elections, leaders do make these kind of statements.
No, they don't.
If you just rewind,
That is a very strange argument, sir. That is why you have the Election Commission and the Model Code of Conduct. You can't say things like, people say things like that. People say things like, let's shed blood. और लीडर्स come and say things like इसको आजाद कर देते हैं हम, एक independent country बना लेते हैं. No, people don't say that.
इसी को भगा देंगे.
And if somebody says that, they should be in jail. Please, let's not give facile explanations.
So let the election commission take action on him. If it is an anti-national statement, there will be action against him.
Priyanka
But what
Tibrewal.
I'm trying to come at is
Convenient. So the election commission will take action. What's the problem, Priyanka Tibrewal?
Padmaja, just now Mr. Riju Datta, he made a point saying that these are the religious front. We have never taken them as political front. This is what Mr. Riju Datta said, right? That these are religious front. We have never taken them as political front. But what is the reality is that they have always used them as minority voters. And this is exactly what Abbas Siddiqui says.
Allow me to quickly.
Riju Datta.
What baseless argument? See, Priyanka, when Modi ji goes to Kedarnath to seek his blessing, so is he doing appeasement politics? If Mamta Banerjee goes to Furfura Sharif,
No. What appeasement you have done, that you don't have to prove. That is already a proven fact. And everybody in West Bengal knows that. That is why. That is why to counter the fight of Congress and CPM is basically to cut down your minority appeasement. That is why Abbas Siddiqui once the snake. This Abbas Siddiqui is nothing else but a snake.
You have lost
that is why today Congress, CPM and Abbas Siddiqui are together.
idea of thinking also. Going to a religious site is also political.
No, going to religious site is not political, but here even the CPI is saying, just a second Priyanka Tibrewal, Riju Datta, even the CPI is saying, if you think Furfura Sharif, is a religious site and you do not want to include it in politics, you have no problem with hobnobbing with Abbas Siddiqui in the past, and now you've taken his uncle, Toha Siddiqui, who comes and meets the Chief Minister and Firhad Hakim in the Secretariat. So they've taken the nephew. Everyone's taking their own little person who can get them a little bit of the vote bank.
Padmaja, Toba Siddiqui is not contesting an election. He has not formed a party. He's a religious cleric. He's doing his job. Abbas Siddiqui.
What is his job? Why is a religious cleric meeting you in the Secretariat? Why is a religious cleric meeting you in the Secretariat? He may not be a part of your party, he may not be contesting the elections, but his job is certainly not to be coming to the Secretariat and meeting the CM, right?
Padmaja, lot of religious leaders have met our prime ministers also in the past in his residency, in his office. How does it that makes it political? They are not contesting elections.
Okay, it's not political. RP Singh, it's not political. RP Singh is smiling.
Everyone, there are pictures where Modi ji was dancing with Asaram Bapu, so that means Modi ji was...
RP Singh is smiling. Riju Datta, the left takes one Siddiqui, the TMC takes one Siddiqui, and the BJP is called the communal party. It's quite ironic.
We have not taken any Siddiqui. No, we have not.
RP Singh, go on. Yes.
And also, Padmaja, Padmaja, let me remind Mr. Vasne also. Do you remember that Sandbari case where a mother was made to drink his own son's blood with rice? We can't forget what sort of violence and what sort of communal violence or what sort of Bengal was in your regime. We all remember that, and that's still in my memory. That's in my memory since student days. But that's point aside. Ritu sir, you divide people who want to divide this country, who want to create a bloodshed in this country between Congress and the TMC. Sir, आपको मुबारक हो sir. आपको मुबारक हो. Bengal will answer you in this election. Bengal will answer all communal forces in this election. Bengal will answer all those who are spreading hatred in Bengal.
Okay. Okay, I think the best summation of this issue has actually been done by somebody within the Congress. Anand Sharma, who I had mentioned earlier, except what he has said applies not just to the Congress party, but to every party today which claims that it is in the secular square, when he said that you cannot be selective in fighting communalists but must do so in all their manifestations, irrespective of religion and color. That pretty much sums up the irony of the way that secular politics is interpreted in this day and age. Abbas Siddiqui, in the meantime, deserves to have a criminal case against him for the words that he is now seen on camera saying. Thank you very much, all gentlemen. Priyanka Tibrewal for joining me on Debate One.